This is the HDMI cable for iPhone to TV. This HDMI cable is specially designed for iPhone and iPad using aluminum alloy and nylon material. This HDMI adapter cable does not need to install any driver, app, personal hotspot, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth. Just plug it into your phone and HDMI port. There's a QR code that will show on the TV. Do not scan it. Just wait for a few seconds and it can be automatically connected, and the installation is convenient and fast. Here are the product features of this HDMI cable. Just connect your device to the big screen to this adapter, and it is ideal tool for watching TV, shows, meetings, games, video call, or expanding your work area. This digital HDMI adapter supports full HD 1080p quality and audio output, so you can enjoy your music and movies with high-quality sound. This HDMI have 13.2 feet length with durable nylon material, so you can enjoy your crystal clear audio and high-definition video with ease. This HDMI cable for iPhone to TV can transform your viewing experience.